This video will help you with completing your Quiz 2, which will be your introduction to using Proctorio, which we'll use on quizzes and exams throughout the semester. So in your module, under our week week one, you'll see that we have Quiz 2, practice quiz to install and learn how to use Proctorio. What's important here is this is quote-unquote a quiz, but it's basically just throwaway points. There is no need to study anything for it. The questions are very simple, like what is your name, and things like that. So it's just a matter of getting you set up with Proctorio. So the first thing you're going to do is you must be in Google Chrome for this to work. It will tell you need to be in Chrome if you are not. If you haven't used Proctorio before and you don't have the extension, you'll have to go through this process here. So we're going to go ahead and install it. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, Proctorio has been added to Chrome. Then when we go back, you'll see that we are done. And so now we can see that Proctorio has been added and I can take the quiz. Depending on your computer setup, there are students that are somehow getting something about your professor has restricted the Proctorio and you need an access code, which I see I spelled wrong there. I will go and fix that. There is no access code. As you can see, I just went through it, and so there's nothing like that you will need. And you'll go through, and Proctorio will prompt you on the things you need to have out of the way, like so. And then I'll tell you, your computer looks pretty busy, and that's because I'm also recording this at the same time, but that's all good. We will be using our camera, the microphone, all these kinds of good things. Click on the screen. We're going to share this. And you can see we are good to go. So while we wait for the last little bit to go through, this is pretty much the general setup we'll have when we're setting up Proctorio. Give yourself a few minutes to have all these checks go through before the quiz time starts or the test time starts. I think I might end the video here because it's just going to go through the process that it'll take you through. Again, if you are asked if there's an access code or anything like that, you do not need one. And yes, I'm very tired. It is late at night, but I'm making sure you guys have a video. So this is the check that you would go through. You would go next. Begin camera test. Smile. Yes, it's you. That's so great. And we accept. And we can start taking our Proctorio assessment through Canvas. We will do one more practice quiz where we will have through Canvas Proctorio Cengage assessments as well. So that will be the last hurdle that you'll need to kind of cross. And as you can see, we're getting ready for the quiz. As you can see, we have the runtime here and everything like that, so I'll let you know what's going on. And you can just go ahead and answer the questions. Like I said, these questions are not anything related to the material we're doing, just so that you see how all of this works. So you would hit submit when you're done. Yes, I know I didn't answer anything, it's fine. And that would be the end of it. So if you do have further questions with Proctorio, please let me know and I will be happy to help you.